good Sunday evening to you, Valpo. You might have woken up this morning to a few rumbles of thunder. That's because we had this line of showers and thunderstorms roll through northwest Indiana this morning around 7 or 8 o'clock. But the rain is not going to be the story over the next day or two. It is going to be the high temperatures, which is really odd for this time of year here in Valpo. Record high expected tomorrow with those. The conditions are also going to be very humid, and we might get a few chances of rain later in the week with a few disturbances that might roll through the area. Temperatures at 7 o'clock tonight in Valpo, we're looking at 68 degrees, which is very warm for this time of year. We're very warm throughout the entire Midwestern United States. 64 degrees in Minneapolis, even 72 degrees in Davenport, Iowa, which is very high for this time of year. As we head throughout your night, temperatures are not going to change all that much here in Valpo. 66 degrees at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, so you might not even need that jacket as you head out to your 8 a.m. classes tomorrow. Temperatures are going to increase very much so throughout the day tomorrow. This model depicts around 78 degrees here in Valpo. I think that might even be a little bit low, as I'll get into why in just a minute. Looking at our future satellite and radar here about 7:30 here in Valpo, very cloudy conditions, and those clouds are going to stick with us through about the mid-morning tomorrow. You might even see some misty conditions as well overnight and into tomorrow morning. So be prepared for maybe just a little mist as you go throughout your morning. As you look here, we see the difference between the clear skies and the cloudy conditions, and that is actually where our warm front is situated tomorrow. And as we go throughout your day into the afternoon, that warm front really heads to the north and give us the southerly winds and higher temperatures for tomorrow afternoon. Looking at our winds, the winds are going to be strong, 13 miles an hour overnight, but those are going to increase to about 20 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. And those 20-mile-an-hour southerly winds are going to bring in a lot of moisture tomorrow afternoon, giving us some humid conditions as well as some hot conditions. The winds are going to persist into the night, about 25 miles an hour tomorrow night as well. And with those winds, again, you're going to bring in a lot of moist air from the Gulf of Mexico, between 66 and 70 degrees for our dew points tomorrow. So it's going to be uncomfortable and going to feel a lot more like summer than it usually does here in mid-October. So again, your forecast for tonight, 65 degrees for your overnight temperature under cloudy skies with that southerly wind, 10 to 15 miles an hour. As you head into tomorrow, those 82 degrees is your forecasted high temperature under partly cloudy skies. Those will have decreasing clouds though throughout the day. So it'll be cloudy in the morning. Once we head into the mid-afternoon, it should be clearing up to pretty sunny skies. Those winds from the south at 15 to 25 miles an hour. So it's going to, even though it's going to be mid-October, it's going to feel a lot like mid-July. Looking at our 7-day forecast again, very warm tomorrow. We get that cold front coming in on Tuesday, and because of that, we have a few chances of rain Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Look at those temperatures too, much more seasonable for this time of year, upper 50s and lower 60s for our high temperatures throughout most of the week. And so it should be a very seasonable, very fall-like week here in Valpo. Thanks for watching. I'm Anthony Franze. Have a good week, Valpo.